In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Japan to Canada using Wise. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective way to transfer funds internationally, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic option that offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we'll head over to the Wise website. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry if this is your first time. Once you're on their homepage, you'll find yourself faced with a user-friendly interface designed to make your money transfer as smooth as possible. On the Wise site, you'll see a currency calculator right up front. This is where you'll start by selecting the currency you're sending money from, which in our case is the Japanese yen. Click on it, and this will ensure that the amount you're sending from Japan is correctly calculated in the exchange. Next, you need to select the currency your recipient will receive, which is the Canadian dollar. Simply click on Canadian dollar from the list. This selection is crucial as it sets up the transaction for conversion to the correct currency, helping avoid any potential confusion later on. Now, let's enter the amount of money you want to send. The currency calculator should still be in front of you, and you just need to type in the desired amount in Japanese yen. Wise will show you how much your recipient will get in Canadian dollars as well as any fees involved, so you're fully informed before proceeding. Transparency is one of the strengths of Wise, making it a trusted choice for many users. Once you're satisfied with the amount, it's time to move on to the next step. Click on the Add Recipient button, which will take you to the next section where you'll need to provide some information about the person receiving the money. In this new window, you'll have different options for how the recipient will get their money. You'll want to click on Bank Details. This option ensures the money is sent directly to the recipient's bank account in Canada, offering them the convenience of direct access. You'll then specify that the money is going to someone else rather than to yourself. Select Someone Else when prompted to confirm this is an external transfer. Finally, it's important to enter all the requested details about your recipient accurately: their name, bank account number, and other necessary information. Once you've double-checked that everything is correct, click the Continue button to proceed. Wise might prompt you to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already, but rest assured that this is part of their secure process.
And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully initiated a transfer from Japan to Canada using Wise. It's easy, efficient, and designed with your convenience in mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.